Hello, in this video I will show you the update of Zulu network testnet that you are doing. Those of you those are doing Zulu testnet, you to push that video to them. So as well as me doing this Airdrop Zulu testnet, and I'm facing today a problem. Okay, and what I noticed on their website that the reminder there testnetter, okay, yeah, dropper. And one thing that kindly remind a reminder, if I zoom in this thing, that please note that liwaji quist liwaji mean, airdrop quist testnet alpha will be under maintenance starting on 3 p.m. June 3rd 2024, and there will be no more ZGP for doing this quiz is starting now. To learn more, please check out official announcement, and their official announcement is here. Okay, so upgrading our incoming testnet maintenance announcement. Okay, so however, what they are doing is they are maybe adding something on their website. They are maybe something changing big. Therefore, they taken some time for not, you know using their websites under maintenance. That means, so however, wait few minutes sorry, wait a couple of hours, and after doing that their website would be okay. At that time you can earn more GGP in order to become eligible, become massive airdrop gainer. Okay, so this is the update that was Zulu Testnet. Maybe you already some people know about that. So and what I do in this channel, if you new here, check out this channel. That what is the channel about is making money channel, and check out description box. You will get Telegram Alpha channel where you can find out every money making post. Okay. However, do like to subscribe if you get any valuable thing from this video, and see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting. Okay.